Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to episode 1 of the $1,000 day trading challenge. As you'll notice, I am currently living in the backseat of a car, so that's the perfect opportunity to go to the stock market and start gambling money away. The premise of the challenge is very simple. We are going to start with $1,000, and then every week we're going to go into the stock market and we're going to take really risky, high leverage trades to see how long it takes us to blow up the account. We are going to make at least one trade every week, and I'm going to try to walk you guys through my thought process as we're making these trades, and then in real time, you guys will get to watch my soul leave my body as we finally blow up this account. On a separate non-gambling related note, it is 35 degrees outside. It is almost below freezing, and I don't have any antifreeze in my radiator right now. I've got my engine running. It's fucking snowing right now. 2 days ago, it was like 80 degrees. I might blow up a third fucking engine. Okay, so to start the series off, we are going to start trading a stock that all of you are probably familiar with, Apple. This is going to sound like the stupidest reason you've ever heard, but Bitcoin lost like $5,000 over the course of last night. Bitcoin just fucking tanked. And if I look at Tesla, Tesla is down like 7%. Tesla is going down too. I think that Apple is probably going to follow. It looks like the market is going in a risk off. That's what people call it, risk off. They want to take less risk. It looks like the market is going down, so we're going to get ahead. We're going to go short Apple. We're going to use something called puts. If you don't know what a put is, I've got a link in the description of this video to go like learn what calls and puts are, but we're going to buy some high leveraged positions so that we make a lot of money when Apple goes down, and if Apple goes up, we lose our account, basically. I just need to show you guys. This is what my fucking car looks like right now. I could literally blow up my engine if my radiator freezes. So I was right for like 5 minutes. It was going down, we were up like 20%, and then it shot right back up. So I bought more, obviously. I went from owning 1 put to owning 5 puts. I've got $500 sunk in this now. Okay, the market just closed, and I want to recap the position we took. We bet $540 that Apple is going to go down 1% by Friday. So we have 3 days to be right. If we're right and Apple does go down, we make money. If we're wrong, we lose 540 bucks. Right now, what I need to do is I need to drain all of this coolant out of my car. It's basically just water at this point, but we need to put real coolant in there because it looks like it's gonna get cold again tonight. This series is not meant to be a vlog. I just want to blow up my investment account, not my engine. We're currently down about $100 on the trade, but we still have a couple of days for this to turn in our favor. In a previous video, we filled this up with some water and some radiator flush, so this does not have anti-freezing properties. We need to get all of this stuff out. Technically, when you're doing this, you're also supposed to take this off and release the thermostat in there. I don't want to deal with that. I just want to make sure that if it gets below freezing tonight, I'm not going to blow a third engine. Okay, I think my car is safe. Let's get back to the stock trading. Good morning, everybody. It is the start of the second day. Let's find out how much money we are going to lose today. All of the water on my windows looks like it's liquid, so it doesn't even seem like I was going to need to be worried about my engine blowing up. Nothing really happened last night, so the stock is in the same place it was in yesterday. We've got to wait for the market to open to find out if anything interesting is going to happen. Okay, so we have a good news, bad news situation. Or it's actually mostly just bad news. Lots of bad news. The market opened and Apple rocketed like a bat out of hell, straight upward. It gained almost $2. It's up over 1%, which is not good for us because we need it to go down. And we only have 2 more days for this to actually go down before our options expire, so not great. Obviously the correct course of action here is to recognize that I was wrong, it didn't go down, and to close the position. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna buy more. See, I've got a theory. Jay Powell is talking today. He's the head of the Federal Reserve. He is the person that decides, kind of, whether or not they're going to cut interest rates or whether they're gonna hike interest rates. And typically what happens is just before he talks, stock markets rally because they think that he's gonna give them good news. And then he talks and he gives the general, oh, nope, inflation's too high, we're gonna hold and see what happens. And then stocks go back down. I'm not sure that that's gonna happen, but I'm gonna hold this position until he is done talking, and then we can find out what his actual position was. I also bought more. Yesterday I had 6 put options, today I have 8, but they're super cheap right now because they lost most of their value. So I was able to get them for like 30 bucks a share rather than 100 that I was purchasing them for yesterday. So this is currently what our position looks like. We have 8 put options on Apple. God, it just keeps going up. Like you can feel it in your stomach just watching it go whoop. Tomorrow, we will close the position if we're wrong. If it is not lower than $170, we will close the position, take our loss, probably take a 50% loss on the entire portfolio. Fucking rip. Yeah, I was wrong. The market is up almost 1% today, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in the context of how much I need it to go down, going up 1% is not great. I think we're probably gonna close the position, take like a fucking $500 loss. Then again, maybe not, because like 2 minutes before the market opened, everything just like crashed down. We have currently lost half of our portfolio. Ugh, Apple is going back down, and I can't decide if I should close the position or if I should just hold till tomorrow. I should probably close, right? Okay, I closed the position. We are down $508. We have lost more than half of our portfolio in the past 2 days. Okay, I feel like I need to make another trade. That way I can get up to like at least break even by the end of this video. But I'm confident that if I try to do a revenge trade right now, try to force myself to double my account, I will take it to 0. Okay, yeah, I've decided. I'm going to end the video here. I'm not going to continue trading. We've lost half the portfolio. Okay, I've had some time to think. I had a Red Bull and I've decided, fuck that. We are going to revenge trade this. We're going to try to win it back. I was wrong with Apple. Apple went up. It's a good thing I closed. Yeah, Apple is up over 1% today. It's a good thing I closed. So what we're going to be trading instead, because we have one trading day left, is Reddit. Reddit recently did an IPO. They shot up initially, and now they're on the downswing, but it looks like they've bottomed out. I could be super wrong, but it looks like after their upswing, their downtick might be bottoming out. I think that tomorrow they might shoot up a little bit. So we're going to go buy calls on Reddit. It is currently $45.87. Oh my fucking God, I'm trying to buy options on this, but none of them are filling because the price is shooting up. Okay, so it's gained like almost $1 since I mentioned that. Okay, I bought 3 call options on Reddit and all of them are in the money. From the moment that I said that to the moment that I purchased, it's gone up by $1. So it's seeming to be fairly profitable right now. I'm not sure if we'll be able to make the full $500 back, but we've already made 50 bucks on the trade. Okay, I was right. Reddit is shooting upward and we have actually made money today. We are down overall because Apple took out half of our portfolio, but we have made money today. From where we were yesterday afternoon to today, we're profitable. Oh no, Reddit's going back down. No, don't do that. Oh no, that is a big red line. That's not good. That's not good. The whole market decided to fucking crash like an hour after I purchased everything. My Apple puts still would have been negative, so it's a good thing I closed those. Even after the market crashed, I'm still wrong, but Reddit is down like 3%. I swear, it's like everything fucking flips as soon as I purchase the positions. Okay, it's the last day of trading. We need Reddit to go up, and I'm not super confident about that because yesterday the market absolutely tanked. Apparently some Fed speaker said something about not cutting rates or something like that. Some dude said one thing offhand and the entire market just slumped. But it didn't slump enough for my previous Apple position to have been made money, so it's a good thing I closed that. But now I need Reddit to go up, and I'm not sure if it will. Okay, 1 minute till open. We're down about 0.25%. I was wrong. Reddit went down. But it's not really worth selling right now because my contracts are basically worthless. So I guess we're just going to wait for the end of the day and see what happens. Holy shit, literally 5 seconds later, it bounced right back up. Oh my God. If I would have sold my position on that dip, I would be fucked. I'm possibly still fucked. It might not go like up as much as I need it to, but that was woof. Oh my God, it is shooting upward. We are currently sitting at $478, so we're still not actually profitable yet. Okay, Reddit is still shooting up. It's about to hit $48. I'm not going to sell. Reddit is up almost 5% today. Okay, we just crossed $48 and it's still going up. I'm still not selling. Funny enough, we only have $600 because it's the last day of trading and a bunch of theta decay happened on my options. So even though Reddit is shooting up, we haven't made as much as we would have if it shot up yesterday. Are you fucking kidding me? It went back down and now we're at $400. Oh my God, it's coming back. What are we at right now? We are at $500. I've learned that the worst time to sell is when you think that you need to sell. When everything gets really dark and it looks like it's just gonna go straight down, that's the time when they're trying to short you out. You just need to hold. You might end up losing all of your money anyway, but like, we have like 3 hours before market closes. We are at $400. I'm not gonna sell. We're just gonna hold. Oh my God, I'm fucking terrified. It's hanging right around that $48 thing where it was earlier, and I'm worried that it's gonna go crash back down. I don't know if I should sell right now or if I should wait for it to maybe go higher. Okay, so we've lost about $100 on this Reddit position. It did everything that I said it would. It went up, it went over 5%. I bought calls and I still lost money on it. Hindsight, I should have sold. Okay, it is clear to me now that I should have sold earlier today. Reddit, it was going up and then it started not doing that anymore. We are down $100 overall. So the position that we took yesterday, we've lost $100 on it. The frustrating part, and if you've ever bought calls or puts, you're familiar with this, is that I was right. I knew that Reddit would go up. Reddit did go up over 5% and we still lost money. It's just fascinating. This is why I don't like buying naked calls and naked puts. I prefer to do spreads, but WeBull won't let us do spreads until we have at least $2,000 in the account. So that means that we need to earn more money to be able to do better trades. I haven't closed yet. They're probably going to force close it for me, so I don't think I even need to close. I think we're just going to let it ride and let WeBull decide to stop me out of my position. Okay, I closed the position. After our first week of trading, we are now at $383. We have lost we've lost about $600 in 5 days. Fucking fantastic. So I know that the comments are going to be full of people asking what app I'm using and how I'm doing this and like all of the stuff. I've got a link in the description to this app. It's called WeBull. You can just download this from the Play Store and do this on your own. But if you use the link in the description, they give you like $20-ish of free stocks to be able to trade. So if you're interested in getting free money, the link down below is what I'm using. Okay, so that was fun. If you guys are interested in following along with my trades as I make them, so that you guys can like watch the stock market and like see how we're gonna do, for all of the members of this channel, I'm posting the positions that I take as I take them. So next week when we go into this and we try to win our money back, the members will get to see what it is that we're actually trading and like what I want it to do. And yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? As soon as I close, Reddit shoots back up. Fucking fuck.